If you're here, you're probably wondering how to grow on YouTube, whether you're just starting out or looking to take your channel to the next level. Today, I'm sharing some of the best tips and strategies that will help you build your channel and create a thriving community. So if you want all that, stick around until the end. Let's get to it. Okay, first up, let's talk about engagement. This is one of the most underrated but most important parts of growing your channel. So here's a few things that I do to engage with my viewers. I'd say the first one would be hearting comments. When you heart a comment, it sends a notification to the commenter, making them feel noticed and appreciated. They're more likely to come back to your video because it hit their notification box and maybe even check out your next one. The next one would be replying to comments. So take it a step further and reply to all or most of your viewers. You know, ask them questions, start a conversation. For example, if someone comments, "I love this video," reply with like, "Thank you so much. What was your favorite part?" Or "What would you like to see next?" But it pretty much shows that you're paying attention and encourages more interaction. And the more comments you have, the more the algorithm likes you and will push you further into it. And it's kind of the same thing for the heart. So, you know, if they get a comment, they'll come back to the video. You start a conversation, they end up coming back like 5 times to the video. But it's also nice just to talk to your viewers as well. It's not all about, you know, getting more views. So this next one I'm actually going to do. Leave down in the comments what your favorite tip from this video was, and I might feature your answer in the next video. So if you see what I did there, I mean, I literally will do this though. So someone leave in the comments what your favorite tip was, and I will actually put a comment in my next video. But it pretty much encourages more engagement, more comments. It kind of ties in with the last one. So just ask questions in your videos and, you know, people answer. Or like, if you made it this far, leave this word peanut butter in the comments and I'll know that you've been watching the whole video, you know, just stuff like that. Next, let's talk about how your channel actually looks. So first impressions obviously matter, and a well-organized, visually appealing channel can make a huge difference. So first, I'd say have a short, punchy channel trailer that introduces who you are, what your channel is about, and why you should subscribe. So keep it like under a minute if possible. But if you look at mine on my channel, I highly recommend checking it out. It kind of gets my whole channel across, but keeps the attention in the video. So it's like lots of crap going on pretty much. So people are gonna most likely keep watching it, because if it's really boring, they're not gonna care and they're gonna click off. Pretty much just tell them what your whole channel's about in under a minute and make it entertaining. That's all you have to do. Next is channel customization. So make use of all of the customization options in your channel settings. Set up sections on your homepage for your playlists, shorts, and most popular videos. Just make it easy for viewers to navigate your content pretty much, because everybody likes easy. The next thing I praise a lot, and it's a good thumbnail. I mean, they're essential. It's the first thing people see when they even click on your video. If you need help with thumbnails, I've got some great tutorials linked in the description or in the comments, wherever I decide to put it. You might have to find it. But I've made a ton of tutorials on designing and all that. So if you need any of that, just check out my channel, it'll be there. Now let's talk about getting your videos into YouTube's algorithm. Tags, description, and titles. These 3 work great together to help YouTube understand what your video is actually about. Make sure your title is engaging and clickable, and if it's a YouTube short, add tags at the end of it as well. But a good title should spark curiosity or answer a question your audience might be asking. It should just be very appealing, almost more appealing than the thumbnail itself. But I kind of use the thumbnail as like a sidekick to the title. So I have a title, and then I have like an alternative title in the thumbnail. So it's like they have 2 options rather than one to click from. I sound like a madman, but like that's just how I see it. Also, if you guys haven't noticed, YouTube shorts are amazing. They're the best way to blow up your channel nowadays. They're quick and easy to make and have potential to go viral for no reason. So don't sleep on that. Next up, we got community features. So YouTube has built-in tools to keep your audience engaged outside of videos. So definitely make the most of them. They got community posts, but I don't know, polls in particular seem to do really well. And they could even bring in new viewers who stumble across your posts. Once you've grown your channel a bit, I'd say you can use it to promote your other channels or projects. For example, if you're starting a second channel or launching a product, you can totally let your audience know once you've built your main one. Next, I would totally recommend having an end screen, sort of like this. So I have my main channel here. So, you know, if they click on it, they'll get access to all of my videos and maybe even subscribe. And I have 2 videos on the side, so they have 2 options to choose from. And it's almost a guaranteed view if they make it to this point. So there you have it. Some of the best tips to grow your YouTube channel. Remember, engagement, good branding, leveraging the algorithm, and using all of YouTube's features can make a world of difference. If you found this helpful, let me know in the comments and share your favorite tip from this video. Like I said, I'll put you in the next one. And don't forget to check out the link in the description for my tutorials on making some really awesome thumbnails. Or just go to my channel for hundreds of tutorials on how to design if you guys don't know how to do that. And if you're new here and you like the video, then you know what you got to do. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.